Hi, I'm Alex Fragos, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your marketing with AI. Staying ahead of the curve means keeping a close eye on our competition. But in today's fast-paced world, who has time to sift through mountains of information? The key is unlocking those insights efficiently. That's where NotebookLM comes in. NotebookLM can help you turn publicly available information into actionable competitive insights. Here's how it works. First, capture the knowledge. I gather recordings and content from public events, webinars, articles, PDF files, anywhere our competitors are sharing valuable information. Second, YouTube, no problem. NotebookLM's YouTube integration is a game changer. I can upload entire videos, like recordings of competitors' presentations, and let NotebookLM do the heavy lifting. Third, add your internal documents. Now for the secret sauce. I combine all this external data with our internal product documents, marketing plans, and performance reports. Fourth, uncover the insights. NotebookLM analyzes the content and extracts key takeaways, product announcement, strategic shifts, messaging changes, giving me a clear view of what our competitors are up to. Using these insights, I can even do a SWOT analysis, identifying our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats ahead. And here's how you can take it to the next level. Use NotebookLM to transform these insights into easily digestible podcast episodes. It's a fun way to get everyone on the same page and spark some great strategic conversation. Now it's your turn. Go to notebooklm.google.com and create your own competitive research notebook to complete the AI Boost Bites challenge. Thanks for watching.